Hello, lovely viewers. You are very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. Today we are going to talk about arpeggios. If you can see, I was playing a local Ghanaian worship song and I was using the arpeggios to play it. You see, sometimes you hear people playing arpeggios, but you don't know those things are arpeggios, and some people find it difficult, even they know, but to play it is a very big difficult for them. But today we are going to discuss about it. You see, to use your arpeggios in a worship, especially playing a worship song and you are using the arpeggios, we have a way of using it and it's going to sound very unique. Yeah, we have a way of using it and we are going to sound very unique. So what is the rhythm of arpeggios? Let's take the rhythm first before we take the song. Let's take the rhythm first. So something like the rhythm of arpeggios, you see, is like this. We are playing key F. You see, you hear ta-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na. If I hit the note, this is arpeggios. I can play. You see, this is chord, and this is. This is arpeggios I'm playing. This is arpeggios. You see the arpeggios, and we have a way of playing it. Some people play only the right and they leave the left, which make the arpeggios sound only treble. So when there is sounding only treble, sometimes it will pinch your ears. Yes, you don't say that. Yes, so to make the arpeggios sound very unique and authentic, you have to include the bass to the arpeggios you are playing at the right. So look at how I'm going to do it. We are going to use the Minsuro Bibia. Minsuro Bibia. Minsuro Bibia. Minsuro Bibia. I was playing it sounds very unique. It sounds very unique and very interesting. You see, I do like this. If you hit the do, you see, so do, 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 so. You see, you go to the so, then the do, then the so, then the do, then the. You see, that is the arpeggios. That is the arpeggios. That is the arpeggios. You see, that is the arpeggios. So you have to monitor the playing very well. You have to monitor the playing very well. Okay, that is the arpeggio. So. but the re, you see, so the so do so do, you add the do to it, then you add the, you see. So the arpeggios is a way that if you are not careful, it will confuse you. Yes, it will confuse you. You see, the way it is, it can be confused. It can be very confused. So if you are going to use the arpeggios, you have to make sure, don't go and play. You sound all treble. Yes, you are going to sound all treble. Okay, you are going to sound all treble. So you have to use the the way I was doing the arpeggios, but there is one secret about the arpeggios. You see, whilst you are doing like this, when you press it, you see, then if you hit, then you press it, then it's going to give you a very solid ground. Yes, it's going to give you a very solid ground. So it's very nice if you learn that. You see, if you can hear some classic songs, you hear this kind of arpeggios one by one in the playing, and it sounds so unique. It sounds so unique. So if you do, you see, if you go, press, if you go there you press, if you go there you press, and we are going to get it very unique. So let's do last one and see how it's going to sound. Key F. B, C, B, yeah. B, C, B, yeah. B, C, B, yeah. Now B, C, B, C, see the way I was playing the arpeggios, it looks so unique. So this is arpeggios, this is arpeggios. So if you don't know what is arpeggios, I've taught you what is arpeggios and how to use them. You see how to use them. If you are a beginner, from the first time it's very frustrating. From your first time it's very frustrating, but getting to some level of a point is going to be very interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. Okay, so try your best possible and learn it. Okay, and it's going to help you. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe for more videos. Bye.